small intro for you about the array list. What is that? Array list. In collection, the important thing is array list now, right? One of the important feature. What you have is you have something called as array list now. What do you have it now? Array list. Same thing. You have created an object. You know how to create an object. SRO. To create an object, what will you use it? New keyword. What will you use it? New keyword. Now I want to tell which one's class I want to create, which object I want to create it. There is a name. Yes or no? Yes or no? And it will be non-primitive and that will be class type. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no, sir? And there is a class already created by a developer. Okay, how to create a new object? By creating a new keyword. Yes or no? Now there are already predefined class. Yes or no? You know exactly how array works? Array ante indexing, that is everything. Yes or no? Yes, there is drawback in array. What are drawbacks in array? In array you have something called as homogeneous only. Yesterday I told you homogeneous ante what? Why? Because it is calculating on the indexing part. Yes or no? 0 into address, 1 into address, 2 into address, 3 into address. Yes or no? Yes or no? If it is 1000 into indexing plus the size of it. Size of it ante 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now it depends upon I now. I if it is 0, 0 into 4 is what? Plus 1000. What is this now? 0 into 4 is what? 0. 0 into 1000. That means 0th index and initial address. Yes or no? Next 1 will come. 1 into 4 is what? 4. Next 1004 it will go. Yes or no? Next 2 into 4 is what? 8. 1008 will go. Yes or no? That is called as homogeneous now. We cannot introduce what? Heterogeneous. And other one is array is a fixed size. Once you fix it, gone. Done. Yes or no? Now to overcome all these things, they came across something called as what? Array list. Where in array list they have created already where you can do it something called as heterogeneous mixture. What is that? Heterogeneous mixture. You can see this now. For example, I have written first one, I have written what? ABC. I have written 6. I have written 7. I have written 8. Entire concept is linked this only. Now here you have created what? Array list. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. Yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now what I'm going to do is now is there is a functionality. Well, this one it means class, means this one is a class now. Array list is a class. Inside this you have certain functions now. What do you have it? Remember functions here. One of the function is adding. I told you whenever the data structures comes, there are 3 things you need to remember it. What are the 3 things? How to add an element, how to remove the element. Now what are the changes I can do it? I can get the indexing, I can get the count, I can get the search, I can get the sort, I can get the reverse. These are the other operations which you can get it. Yes or no, sir? Sir, if you can add it, if you can remove it, that means it is immutable. If you cannot do this operation, that is immutable in nature. Yes or no? Yes or no? Immutable ante what? Once it is fixed, done. Like angry girlfriend and angry mom, I told you. Yes or no? If you can't change the girl, change the girl. Yes or no? If you can't change the object, change the object. That is what it happens here. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no, sir? These all things you know it, onto it. Yes or no? Now let's forget about this. Let's come to the array now. Now main concept, what I am trying to tell you here is, you will learn all these things, but you don't know how to access the things. You don't know where the memory is now. At that time, everything will go off. To understand your near future, what all the topics you want to understand, you have to understand multi-dimensional array first. When you understand multi-dimensional array, you can do it anything. Arthamainda? Hey, I'm a speed?
No, sir.
I'm just recapping it? Hey, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not recapping it.
Recap, sir.
Recap ante? Yes, it is. Tell you yes, or no? Come here. Now I will create an array list. I will go with the flow itself, understanding them. Where you are not understanding, you tell me, please. Okay, where you are not understanding, you stop me, sir. Stop, sir. You didn't understand, sir. Please explain me. That is what you need to do. Okay, wa? Hey, okay, ra?
Yes, sir.
Hey, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what you are going to do is, you know how to read the one-dimension array. You just tell me how to read the one-dimension array. How to read the one-dimension array now? How can you input the one-dimension array? That one you tell me. That's more than enough.
Into array name bracket.
How to get that one? How to get that one?
Data type.
For example, I'll create an array. First, I have to create an array. Yes or no? I want to read integer data. For example, I want to read 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to read it. Yes or no? 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to create it. Now, how do I do it now? I will create this one. I want to read this one. How many data you needed? Yes or no? How many data you needed now? I will just tell us T number of data I wanted. What is that? T number of data. I want to read this element. What I will do it now? I will use a scanner class. SCANNER. Scanner class. I want to call a class called as system, and I will tell it as one object I want to invoke that is called as what? .in. I want to create an object of this one. Yes or no? It is calling a constructor now. I want to create an object of this one. To create an object, what I do it now? I will just tell it as what? New. I will tell it. Yes or no? and this will return an address. That address I want to save it. I will tell this a variable called what? SC. You can use anything, but SC if you use it, it's good. So that while using the program, it will be nice for you. Yes or no? That means scanner class. That is what the short form I'm using it. Yes or no? Now I'll be using for what is the type of SC now? Repeatedly you tell me. What is that? What is the type of this SC now? It won't be integer now. It won't be float now. It won't be double Y. It won't be double float or integer or something like that. Because I am using a scanner type of object. Yes or no? Hey, yes or no? Hey, yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. I will tell it as SCANNER. When you don't know what is there, what I want to store it, I can also tell it in near future word. How to use word? That is where the things come across. Done? So this is done now. Now what I will do it now? I want to read the input now. What I will do it now? SC I will tell it. Inside SC object, you have some function. Inside that object, you have some what? Functions. So you have multiple functions now. You have next int, next double, next float, next that is everything you have. Yes or no? Now I will do it now. I want to read integer type of data. I will do it now. Any xt next. Since it's a function, I will write it in a lowercase. Next word what will come at? I will tell it like int. I want to read what? Int. No. That is the int int. Just a function. That's all. Yes or no? And I will save it in where? T I will save. What is the type of data I am reading it now? From the input, from the keyboard. Integer type, that's a T will be what? Integer type of data. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Hey everyone, yes, I want to create an array now. I want to create what? Array now. Yes or no? How many blocks I want to create it? To create the array, I will use it what? Angular basis. What is I will saying it? Angular basis. How many blocks I want to create it now? I want to create how many blocks now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever I read it in here, 4 I will read. For example, if I read here 4, that 4 thing I want to read here, I will read like T. Now when I write T, it will become dynamic. If I tell 4, it will become, I don't know, like user is creating randomly data. Yes or no? How much ever the user is needed, that much data I am creating it. What type of data I am storing inside now? Integer type of data. What type of data I am storing now? Integer type of data. That's the reason I am writing what? Integer. If I am storing a character, I will send it as what? Character. Now I want to create an object of this one. I want to create what? Object of this one. What will I do it now? New keyword. What will I use it now? New keyword. Yes or no? Yes or no? If I do this one, that's more than enough now. But this one new will return what? Address will return. Yes or no? Yes or no? You will create the object, and will return what? Initial address will return. Right? That initial address I want to save it, I will return like what? Array everything. This is since it is an array, I want to tell it there is a collection of blocks now. Since it is an array type, I will tell it like what? Square bracket. Inside this, what are the type of data I am storing it? Integer type of data, that's the reason I will tell like integer. End of the statement, I will tell it what? Simple. Hey, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hey, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, in near future, I can do many things here. I can do what? Many things here. Okay, this step you need to understand it to understand the other steps. If you don't understand this one, the other step also will not understand it. And those who are listening for the first time also, you can listen it. Don't think that, okay, I need a previous knowledge. No. I am doing it for everyone. Understand this one. What? Hey everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now I will tell it as something like this. I want to read the data inside each block. 0, 1, 2, 3. I want to read 5, I want to read 6, I want to read 7, I want to read 8. Yes sir. How do I read it now? Now this is nothing but what? A. This is nothing but A now. Name is what? A now. Now I'll tell her like what? A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. Yes sir. No? Inside this I want to tell the data. What is the data I want to read it now? I'll tell it as SC of Next int. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? Next int will read, next will read, next will read, next will read. What if they have 100 data? I want to write 100 lines. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason I will tell it as what? For int I equal to 0, I less than what? T, and then what? I plus plus. Now I will do it now. In place of 0, what will I do it now? I will do it. Now this becomes what? Dynamic. Now, okati line, done. Yes or no, sir? Instead of writing 4 lines, I will put it in a loop and where I is from 0 to T. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So 4 times it will come. First time 0, A of 0, it will read 5. A of 1, it will become 6, it will read it. A of 2, it will come, it will read 7. A of 8 will come, A of 3 will come, it will read what? 8. Yes or no? I want to display this. How do I display this now? How do I display this? Same thing. For loop, you take it out. Inside the system.out.println, you write it A of 5. Done.